we are going to show you some of the different wigs we have here at Magic Hair Company. We have all of these different textures. We do custom coloring here in store, so all of this color that you see here, we've done right here at Magic Hair Company, where we specialize in making custom lace wigs. We do custom lace color, and we do installations. Check out this beautiful kinky curly wig right here. She's a little bit damp. She's one of our most popular units. She's available in store right now, or of course you can find all of the information on our website, magichaircompany.com. Here's another custom red unit that we did. We did, like I said, all of our custom coloring here in store. We are a hair loss solution specialist, so if you are losing your hair for whatever the reason is, whether it's chemo, whether it's alopecia, whether it's hereditary, we are here to help you and be your #1 hair loss solution provider. We can make you a custom wig, whether you are recreating your old look or if we are creating a completely new look for you. We have everyday, natural looking, made with 100% human hair, high quality wigs that will last you for time and time again. Our wigs are made of the finest quality hair. This is a silky straight wig right here that we custom colored and put a little bit of a wand curl in. This color is really highly requested. Hopefully you guys can really pick that up on the camera. This right here, we did a little custom gray kind of blonde streak right here. This is a really, really popular cut we have right here. But like I was saying, if you're suffering from hair loss, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company and we can get you a new wig. Nobody will even be able to tell that you have on a wig, and that is the best part about wearing a custom wig from us. You can either come shop with us in store and leave feeling like a new person with one of our wigs that we have here in the salon, or we can custom order you the exact length and texture that you desire. This is one of our popular 10-inch silky straight custom colored wigs. Our blonde wigs go really, really fast. And of course, like I said, we can customize your color however you want. We can customize the root for you. We can do a nice ombre. We can break the color up this way. We really can create a beautiful wig for you today. So this right here is a 12-inch straight unit, silky straight. This is a full lace wig with the bang. So if you are a lady who loves a bang, let Magic Hair Company get you the bang bang unit of your dreams. Okay, and this unit here is a beautiful custom red. Look at how beautiful this is. And when we color our hair here, we use the highest quality products available. So it's not going to fade over time, and it's really gonna last and lock into your hair. Let me know what else you guys wanna see here today. Don't forget our hair care product line. We have a keratin shampoo and conditioner, and this curl defining amplifier. This is what I use on all of my curly and wavy hair. You just put a little bit of this in a spray bottle with some water, and boom, there you go. Perfect waves and curls. Let me know if you guys have any questions.
The hair is pretty.
Thank you, thank you. Did you want to see any particular units? We're only going to be on here a couple of minutes today, but we get a lot of different questions about what type of wigs we have in store. And we only carry human hair. So if you're looking for a synthetic party wig, we are not the store for you. We have high quality hair. We do awesome color. This is a silky straight unit that we just put a wand curl in. So we did a slight wand curl on the ends here, and as you can see, the hair is still soft. Let me show you some of our other textures. This is our beautiful deep body wave texture. I believe this wig here is 24 inches. This is unit number 200. This is one of our most popular long curly units. A lot of girls order this if they're going on vacation or if it's their birthday. Deep body wave is one of our most popular textures. That's the same texture I have here. I've been wearing this wig for about 6 months now. I rotate it with my kinky curly wig. It's a very easy to maintain texture. I just wet it down and spray some of the curl definer amplifier that's right here in it. And yeah, this is a beautiful texture, the deep body wave. Our wigs are awesome. They are a bit of an investment, but it's definitely quality hair that's going to last you. The cap's going to last you, the hair's not going to shed, it's not going to tangle. You can definitely color the hair. As you can see, we have really natural parting, all throughout all of our caps. So I'm just parting this one, although it's dry. If you were to part it while it's wet, you can see there how you can easily change this part. Shop with us if you want the best quality wigs. We do offer free styling when you purchase the wig, so if you want some layers cut into that wig or if you want it framed around your face, come on in and shop with us and I will gladly cut some layers into your wig. Let me show you this kinky curly here. This is a texture that we love. She's a little bit damp, so hopefully you guys can see her. She's 14 inches. We get this a lot, and then we add some highlights or some color into it. If you want to wear it in the natural color, you can, or we can customize it for you. That's the great thing about shopping at a wig store that knows quality wigs, does custom coloring. I've been around for 10 years. I've been here in Culver City for 7 years. So if you're looking for a quality wig store in Culver City, come on over and shop with us. We have excellent wigs, excellent customer service, and we have amazing wigs for you to choose from. This is a really popular cut and style here. She's fun, she's flirty if you're looking for a cute birthday wig, or this is a cute everyday wig. I tried this one on earlier and it looked really, really nice on me. Sometimes I want short hair that is above my neck, so I really don't have to worry about it, and this is a cute style for that. We also have this beauty over here. I want to point out something. So you see the color of our blonde here? Sometimes wig stores only have 613. Because we have an in-store colorist who's amazing, we can tone and color and customize all of your blondes. We can customize the root for you, customize how you want your color to fall. We can do your mixture of blue, purple, green, blonde, brown, red. Whatever you want, Magic Hair Company can take care of it for you. So I'm only on here for a couple of minutes today. Let me know if you guys have any other questions. Come visit us here in our Culver City store. We are here at 8638 Washington Boulevard, Culver City, California. We're open Monday through Friday from 10 to 7 p.m. We're open Saturdays 11 to 6. And we're open Sundays by appointment only. So this is another beautiful silky straight unit that we custom colored. Check out the beautiful color. I like this one. If she's here too long, she's gonna end up one of my in my personal collection. But yeah, if you're looking for a wig store where you can really be treated awesomely, we have champagne, we have candy, we have water if you don't want any wine or champagne. We can customize your wig literally almost any way you think or can imagine. And if you want some gray, we can do that. We do different types of gray. We have really natural parting, as you can see here. We have a really, really natural hairline. And yeah, if you're really just looking for a quality wig, come shop with us here at Magic Hair Company, where we have the best wigs, the best quality. We only have human hair. And yeah, come shop with us here in store. You can try on the wigs, really get an idea for what you like, pick out your exact length, pick out your exact texture, and whatever color you want. You guys have any questions? We have parking right in front of the store.
8 minutes.
And yeah, so let me know how I can help you. Send us an email, give us a phone call. We have wigs as short as 8 inches and as long as 30 inches. All right, guys, I'm Janice, the owner of Magic Hair Company, located here in Culver City. And I just wanted to show you guys today some of the beautiful wigs that we have in store. Come shop with us. It is a wig shopping experience like you've never had before, and you won't regret it. If you want a high quality wig that's going to last you, if you want to shop with me and my amazing line, come on in. You can shop with us and leave a new person. So I hope that I can provide you a new quality wig soon. Come on into the store or shop with us online. Bye.